Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to make a reel on Instagram. So this is how you do it. You click the Instagram, and this is my profile, as you can see. And then you can get this is the Reels tab right down here. You can just, on anything. These are all the YouTube videos.
So we're gonna click to make one.
And then there's post, story, reel, and live. So we're going to click reel. We're just going to click one of my videos. Click next. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to rebuild, and we're going to click on Instagram next, and then see how this shows you that now this is going to share in the reels. Now you can decide to put it on the reels grid or on the reels only, or put it on your main grid. With the main grid, it goes to the reels too, but sometimes when you put it on the reels grid only, it racks up a lot of views. But you'd be lucky if you get a lot of likes, but views are increased. So that's why I usually share it on the main in the reels grid. And then you press done, and then you can share to Facebook, advanced settings, profile display, audience followers, and you can tag people too. Then you press share, and it's going to, and now it's shared. And now it's on the Reels tab. And that's it. And your profile grid. Now see, even when you shared it, you can remove from profile grid, and now it will just be in your Reels tabs. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.